Hi everyone, in this video I'll be going to tell you how to create a maths test paper in Google Forms. Why maths? Because maths employs a variety of symbols. Okay, that symbols cannot be inserted directly into Google Forms, so you require an external source for that. So let's do it now. The basic requirements are you need a laptop or a PC, or that means desktop computer. Or second requirement is the a browser which needs to be Google Chrome. Now let's do. First step, you have to write the Chrome web browser in the Google Chrome browser. Then Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link. Search here Equate.io. See this one, first item, Equate.io. As you can see, this is here. It is a YouTube introduction. You can watch this video. As soon as you come more videos, that this channel, this is the text help channel, is exclusively for this Equate.io. Okay. Now here you can see. Now after you install it, I have already installed. After you install it, you can open the Google Forms. Now see, I will be opening a blank form. Now see here, this one, extensions. My Equate, if you are using for the first time, has access. It will be asking for a permission, which account do you want to link for a Google account, and make sure that this will be activated till only 1 month. So it is a very temporary service. For that 1 month only you can use. Okay, after that you have to change again change the account. So that means you must be having at least 12 accounts for a year. No. The government of India will definitely open the schools after some period of time, so no need to worry about it. But to pass that time, you need such type of now here. After installing it, refresh the window. Like this, here you can see such type of icon will appear on the question also, and here option also. I just want to insert the question. Like here, click on this. I'll be using the handwriting feature and the speech input. I don't that much love the speech input because our pronunciation and this pronunciation might be different. So let's try the handwriting option, like 2 by 3 x square minus root over 5 x minus 3. I'm using a laptop, not touch screen, that is why it is so bad. Okay, but also to understand. Okay, basically the symbols we need, we don't care of the numbers. We can change them manually here also. Like I want 3, I can do it 3. I want x, I want y, I want x, I want y. So here you can the basically this fraction one or this roots or the power that we can, that is not in our hands. So that it can already, that it can do by manually. That after clicking on insert math, it will take some time automatically and the image will be inserted. Voila. See, preview. That means student side. 2 by 3 y square minus under root of 5y minus 3 equal to 5. Oh, such a difficult equation. Okay. So you can see you can write the question also, option also. Now one more feature I'll be telling you. Like if you want to create graph, insert graph, how to do? Simply click on this graph editor. Okay. Now see. If I want x, sorry, 2x plus y equals to 5. See, a line. A line has been inserted. That means a equation of line 2x of equal, a line of equation 2x plus y is equal to 5 has been inserted. You can see it's very decent feature. Like if I point this one 0 comma 5, what is the value of x? 0, y 5. It satisfies the equation. Yes. Now if I do here 3y, equation is changed. See, line is changed. It's a very good option. Now if I want another, like 4x minus 2y equal to 7. Is this is one more equation. not 7, I'll be taking 2. Now see here, as you can see, I have taken two lines, and if I now if such type of question like what is the value of the point of intersection of this, okay, here you can see 1 1 comma 1, but if you ask such type of question to students, so what you will do, first change the setting, okay, use the arrows so that it will be convenient for the students also. Now x-axis, what should be the leftmost? I want leftmost minus 4 only, and rightmost, that means on a graph, that means the the x limit, minus 4, here 4, here also same, I want here minus 4 and plus 4. And you won't be wondering what is a step means the difference between two, I want to be different between two main units should be 1 only. Now if I want to add label, that means physical science teachers, that means if they want to plot a graph against displacement and time, that means to take out the velocity, so that is why we don't require such type of, okay, they can that is for the science teachers. Now here again close it, it will be saved perfectly. Now here click on insert graph, it will take some time again. See here, as you can see, the graph has been plotted, minus 4 plus 4 4 4, and you can see here for two lines have been plotted, and you can't now you can't edit because it is an image. Now you can write here question that from the following graph, easily from the following graph, okay. Now if you want to give points of these intersection also, you can give from the following graph, find the equations of both lines. Simple, because it is a very clear interpretation, the students can directly solve this question. See, if one is with this is intersection point is 1 comma 1, okay, intersection point is 1 comma 1, they can write in their notes or in the question paper answer sheet. Here this line intersects y-axis at minus 1 comma 0, sorry, 0 comma minus 1. So again here you can see this red line intersects x-axis at 2.5, at 2.5. So what will be 2.5 comma 0? So by this it is a very clear graph, so can directly they can interpret with this and find the two equations. Okay, so this was for today's video. If you love this, then please like, share and subscribe my channel.